Reggae artist Chris Martin has been getting rave reviews for his newly released track dubbed Trust. Now, the song was produced by Chris Martin and Lamont Monty Savory and was released April 1. Trust tackles various issues faced in friendships and relationships. Chris Martin shared the inspiration behind the single.
The inspiration behind Trust, well, it's self-explanatory, Yeah, I don't trust nobody who's friends with everybody. You understand? Yeah, there's no possible way that can happen. Because a friend to all is absolutely a friend to none. Because there's no possible way, you can have somebody in your life that you say you genuinely love, and on the other hand, of somebody who is willing to hurt that person and do that person an injustice. And you say, in a business, you gotta be friends with both sides, because that have nothing to do with you. It have everything to do with you. You have to protect your energy. Right is right, man. Just because that benefit you do it. Real, right. Check yourself. Quick.
Now, Chris is gearing up to head to Guyana, where he is slated to perform at Dexter Daps and Friends live concert on April 16. The reggae crooner is known for hits including Giving It, Take My Wings, Mama, Big Deal, and Cheetah Sprayer. Back in 2013, Chris Martin inked a deal with VP Records. The label released his EP Stepping Razor in 2015, as well as 2 full-length projects, Big Deal in 2017 and 2019's And Then, which topped the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. American DJ and award-winning music producer DJ Khaled's Hollywood Walk of Fame star was unveiled during a ceremony on Monday. The event saw several guests in attendance, including Jay-Z, Diddy, and Fat Joe, among other A-list celebrities. DJ Khaled was honored for a career that includes 6 albums, 4 singles topping the charts, and 4 Grammy nominations. The star is the 2,719th since the completion of the Walk of Fame in 1961. Khaled is well known for the award-winning productions and tracks and his famous catchphrases, Major Key, We the Best, and of course, Another One. DJ Khaled has also recently announced his new collaboration with Jordan Brand, which includes an apparel line in 4 different Air Jordan 5 colorways. Actor Jussie Smollett has released a track dubbed Thank You God, with lyrics proclaiming his innocence relating to his conviction for faking a hate crime. The gospel-influenced track is aimed at critics, who he says falsely accused him of staging the 2009 racist and homophobic incident. It's reported that all profits from the song will be donated to the trans-led organization Rainbow Push Coalition and the Illinois Innocence Project, which helps liberate the wrongfully convicted. The former Empire star has maintained that he was wrongly convicted, and Jussie was released from jail last month pending an appeal. I'm Deidre Gordon reporting for ePrime.